So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 19th till the 25th of August for those who are in complete no contact or communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Cancer. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Devil, the Sun, the Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck, bottom of the deck is the Ten of Swords. This person knows very well that they messed up. Very like big time. They messed up big time, and they're super upset about it, about messing things up between you and them. You guys had a childlike connection. You guys had a very beautiful friendship, and you guys had a very beautiful connection, but they messed it up by lying to you, by cheating on you, by doing something unhealthy, by keeping you as an option, or putting you in a third party, or doing something shitty about it. They know it very clearly what they did with you, and this person is having a lot of regret about it. I can't say they are dying in regret, but they have the regret. They have the guilt and the regret, and they're quite upset about whatever they did with you, because they know that you don't deserve whatever they did with you. You deserve happiness, you deserve the best, but whatever they did was the worst, okay? And this person is feeling defeated in the situation. They know they fucked up, they know they messed up. Now they're feeling defeated in the situation. It's like karma hitting them, like karma slapping them on their face and telling them this is how it feels when you are do something wrong with somebody. It's like something is happening with them that is reminding them of what they did with you in some way, shape, or form. And now they're feeling the same kind of pain that they gave you at some point of time. I don't know what happened here. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cancer. We have the world, the Eight of Pentacles, the Hermit. Wow. I think right now their intention is to keep themselves, keep their mouth shut, put in the effort and energy mm, in becoming mature, in learning their own lessons, in counting their blessings, learning their lessons. This person wants to put an end to this chapter between you and them. This person wants to finish the unfinished business between you and them, and it means I think this person wants to give you a closure or something, but they want to do it after they will be able to completely heal, when they will be able to come to their senses, when they will be able to understand what they did was very terribly wrong. So this person wants to learn their lessons. This person wants to count their blessings. This person wants to grow up. They want to become mature, and as of now they want to keep their mouth shut. This person wants to keep the distance. Right now they want to behave like a closed book. This person doesn't want to reveal too much or say too much. Now this person just wants to put in the effort and energy in improving themselves, in improving their own life in some way, shape, or form, in improving their own energies and their own life. This person is learning lots of painful lessons, and they're working on that. So karma is slapping this person hard on their face. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 25th of August. Cancer. I have to sit like this. I'm just feeling the back pain. This person's guards are up. They're waiting for the time when they will be able to clear the air with you in some way, shape, or form. This person is surrendering to the divine. I'm telling you, this person is going through the same kind of pain that they gave you at some point of time, and now they're able to understand what they put you through. and now they're regretting about it. Now they are being very upset about it. Now they're trying to change themselves. Now they're trying their best to change their energies and be in this energy of, okay, let me mature, let me just grow up from this situation, let me grow up because of this situation, and let me just surrender to the divine. Let me wait for the right time when I will be able to clear the air with the Cancer in some way, shape, or form. I don't see them taking any kind of action. They're manifesting this energy of them, they're manifesting this chance with you so that they can clear the air with you in some way, shape, or form. I don't see this person having this energy of wanting a reconciliation or coming together or coming back together with you, at least for the time being. But they definitely have this energy of wanting to clear the air with you in some way, shape, or form, so that at least you guys can split apart in a harmonious kind of energy. Like right now, it's ugly. Right now, it's a ugly breakup or ugly separation. They just want to give a sense of, okay, we are two mature adults. I know I messed up, I fucked up, I don't deserve a second chance, or I don't want a second chance, but I want to clear the air with you in some way, shape, or form so that we can move on in two different directions with peace. As of now, this is their energies. So no action from this person's side as of now. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Cancer. We have the Six of Wands. Keep working on yourself. You should be the center of attention of your own world, Cancer. Nothing else or no one else should take this place, okay? You should know what you want in your life. You should know what is your goal in your life, okay? And then move forward accordingly. Keep on reminding yourself that again and again, you should be the center of attention of your own world. You should be your number one priority, and keep going ahead. Don't look back. Whatever happened, happened. Don't look back. Just keep moving forward. Hmm? On your success, on your goals, on your health, on your name, fame, job, career, whatever it means, keep moving forward and make yourself your number one priority. Nothing else, no one else. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.